Hey guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem of Discord on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve Discord problem on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data don't click manage storage because that can delete your data, as you see here. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.